Okay, so here we have to solve this quadratic equation, x plus 4 all squared, right? We have a binomial squared is equal to 2x squared plus 18x plus 37. So how we're going to do this, trying to solve for x here, is first must expand this bracket so that we can kind of get an x squared term and then move our terms around to try to solve for x. So here, x plus 4 times x plus 4, that's x plus 4 squared. We can FOIL this. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. X 4 times x is 4x. And then finally, 4 times 4 is 16. So if we simplify that, we get the middle terms becomes x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to the right side. I haven't even changed the right side, but now you can see we have a bunch of terms with x that we can move to one side and collect like terms and then see if we can solve. Factor, maybe use the quadratic formula, who knows, right? So subtract x squared from both sides. That gives me x squared on the right. Subtract 8x from both sides. That gives me 18 minus 8. That's 10x. And then finally, subtract 16 from both sides. 37 minus 16 gives me 21. And so now you can see here, we're going to factor this quadratic into x plus 3 and x plus 7. Set each of those equal to 0 because the whole thing is equal to 0. And you can see x is equal to -3 and -7. And so those are your final answers. And you can actually check back in the original equation if you want. It's a little bit messy, the computing on the right side, but you can see that both sides of the equation will be equal.